Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Arpita and I'm a beauty fashion lifestyle content creator. आज के वीडियो में मैं रिव्यू करने वाली हूँ My Glam Super Lash Volumizing Mascara. This is the newly launched mascara. Recently My Glam ने इसको February month में launch किया है. I know I'm pretty late to review this one because बहुत सारे creators ने इसको already review कर दिया है, but I want to talk about my whole experience about using this product and also my honest review. So if you want to know how the product turned out, then keep on watching this video till the end. And if you're new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell icon to never miss any update. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before getting started with the actual product application review and everything, I would like to take a moment to talk about the product. So ये जो product है, as I told you, ये My Glam से है and My Glam का already एक मस्कारा जो कि उन्होंने बहुत सालों पहले नियर अबाउट 2 to 3 years बैक उन्होंने लॉन्च किया था एंड आई हैड यूज दैट मस्कारा. दे हैड अ ट्विस्टिंग टेल जिससे आप इनर कॉर्नर्स पे भी अच्छे से एप्लीकेशन कर सकते हो, बट द मस्कारा वाज नॉट वाटर प्रूफ, सो दैट्स व्हाट अ ड्रॉबैक फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट वाज. बट ये जो प्रोडक्ट है माय ग्लैम क्लेम कर रहा है दैट दिस प्रोडक्ट इज वाटर प्रूफ, स्मच प्रूफ एंड इवन गिव्स यू अ लॉट ऑफ वॉल्यूम. सो एज यू कैन सी मैंने अपने आईज पे कुछ भी नहीं लगाया है, जस्ट डिड अ बेसिक आई शैडो. इसके बाद मैं अप्लाई करूंगी मस्कारा टू एक्चुअली सी whether the product is actually worth the hype or not. And honestly I haven't purchased this product और ये product मुझे My Glam की तरफ से send किया गया है for the Valentine's Day campaign which got over. So मैंने सोचा कि as this was a newly launched product and इसके ऊपर ज़्यादा reviews मैंने नहीं देखा है and a lot of people really liked my Glam content, whether it is foundation, lipstick or whatever it is. So I decided to come back with another My Glam product. So now if we talk about the actual product looks something like this. This is a pretty aesthetic bottle that they opt for, and honestly My Glam का जितना भी packaging है they are mostly with white and golden and stuff, so the packaging itself is pretty out of the box for themselves. So now if I talk about the pricing of the product, इसका प्राइस है 449 रुपीज़ और अगर ये आप My Glam के वेबसाइट से खरीदते हो so you might get it around 400 और 399 क्योंकि उनके वेबसाइट पे हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ ऑफर तो चलता ही रहता है. एंड द प्रोडक्ट इज़ 9 ml. Also one more thing that I feel good about this product is इसका जो shelf life है it's nearly 3 years. Now if I talk about the wand थोड़ा सा interesting लगा है because the wand looks something like this. इसका एक मतलब 3 dots में wand है. Usually जो मस्कारास का wand होता है वो एक ही साथ रहता है. There is 3 different portions to it which I am pretty curious why they have created something like this. अगर इसमें कोई application difference है हो सकता है but we don't know that. Also one thing that they have changed in the mascara is that उन लोग का जो पिछला वाला मस्कारा था जो कि शायद अभी वो लोग कंटिन्यू नहीं करे या फिर कंटिन्यू करे, आई डोंट नो. मैं कुछ दिन पहले चेक करी थी, इट वाज नॉट देयर, मे बी इट वाज आउट ऑफ स्टॉक और व्हाटएवर इट इज. सो उन लोग का जो पहले वाला मस्कारा था इट हैड अ ट्विस्टिंग वॉन्ड जो कि आप ट्विस्ट करके आपके इनर लैशेस पे लगा सकते हो. लेकिन उस प्रोडक्ट का एक ड्रॉबैक था कि अगर गलती से आप इसको लॉक करने के बाद यू ट्विस्ट इट और आप जब ओपन करोगे सो वॉन्ड मैंने 3 प्रोडक्ट खरीदा था और तीनों प्रोडक्ट उसी तरीके से खराब हो गया. I couldn't even able to use that because if it was, first of all it was not waterproof and even like अगर मैं सोच लीजिए शूट कर रही हूँ तो I can apply it because the density was good, the wand broke. So this one I feel कि like इसमें एक अच्छा चीज है कि आपका wand नहीं टूटेगा. So now we have talked enough about this particular product. Let's quickly swatch it and see whether it is waterproof or not, and then we will talk about the volume and everything. Just quickly opening it up and taking it on the back of my hand just like this. I'll let it dry for a few seconds so that मतलब actual product जो है वो सूख जाए, क्योंकि बहुत बार होता है कि product नहीं सूखता है and उसके ऊपर मैं पानी दे दूँगी तो obviously it will melt out. So I will keep it for 2 to 3 minutes and then I will put some water to it. So I think ये pretty much dry हो गया है as there is no product coming up as so far. Now I will put some water to it. थोड़ा सा इसमें मैं पानी लूँगी. Pretty nervous about it because it's going to ruin my outfit, but so far it is not coming off as I have put the water to it and it is not coming off. So this product is waterproof. I mean, अगर totally waterproof नहीं भी हुआ तो water resistant तो definitely है. Like if you are going out, बारिश start हो गया, आँख में पड़ा, so it will not melt out just like that. But obviously if you are crying and if you are rubbing, it will obviously come off. जितना भी expensive mascara लगा लो. So My Glam has definitely worked on the waterproof part. Now let's apply it onto my eyes and see whether the volumizing part is actually true or not. So what I will be doing is like मैं एक आँख पे लगाऊंगी and एक पे नहीं लगाऊंगी to show you guys the clear difference. So now let's apply it. I'm not going to use any eyelash curler. Just want the real texture to come out. So quick check, this is the eye that I have applied the mascara और मैंने second coat अभी तक नहीं लगाया. This is the first coat and this is my eye look without any mascara. So definitely the volume is there but not as such. So what will I do is that I will apply the coat second time. 2 time coat करती हूँ मैं ऐसे भी. So let's put it on once again and see how much can I get it to the maximum. Okay, so this is giving something. I don't know whether how much you guys can see it, but this is definitely giving something. I mean, I'm not mad at it at all. जब मैं इस product को first time unbox की थी, I was very skeptical about the product because the amount of volumizing mascara I have used across the 4 years of my content creation, most of the time मैं volumizing mascara से disappoint होती हूँ, but this is the thing that is pretty visible on the camera. Like I have very minimal density lashes as you can see from this side. So this is giving something and इसमें ज़्यादा वो thickness नहीं है क्योंकि बहुत time क्या होता है when we use volumizing mascara, so क्या होता है lashes got clutter, एक दूसरे के साथ चिपक जाता है and when you wash it off 1-2 lash तो वैसे ही गिर जाता है. So this is the one thing that I really like, that एक lashes पे इसने थोड़ा करके product लगा के it did something and now I understood that why did they broke 3 मतलब एक wand को 3 part में क्यों break किया, so that एक lashes properly voluminize हो सके. So I'm really liking it so far. Now let me go and quickly finish off this look and then I'm coming back to you with my final verdict. So overall this is how my eyes turn out and honestly ये जो product है, this is a pretty regular based product. मतलब अगर आप regular basis पे mascara use करते हो and you do want a lot of volume onto your lashes, then you can definitely go for this particular product. And honestly ये बहुत ज़्यादा flimsy भी नहीं है and lightweight है, so you can easily carry it off. So yeah, that's it. That's what the review is all about. And I know this video came after really long time. So that's it for the video. I really hope you guys like this, and if you do, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more such contents like this. So that's it for the video guys. I'll see you guys definitely on the next video.